blind person to sense objects around them up to 15 feet away. It uses ultrasonic and infrared forward-looking sensors. The infrared is used for 3 feet or less to indicate an object that's close up. The sonar ultrasonic uses ultrasonic vibrations bounce off the target and send back the vibration to the transducer, which in turn sends a signal through the circuit board to the buzzer in the handle, indicating an object in its path. This is a narrow beam sensor, and it has a 15-degree deflection angle, so it has good side rejection for targets. And the infrared only sees 3 feet, so anything that comes in front of the infrared sensor within 3 feet will send off another corresponding buzzer in the handle. These are the buzzers in the handle. You can see a slight outline of each one. They're round and they're set into a special vibration absorption material. There's an on-off switch in the handle. The battery is also located in the handle, and the charge port is right here on the handle for the lithium polymer battery, which gives this about 24-hour use. Depending on how often and how long the vibrators are running, it's easily enough battery life so that you can use this cane all day and recharge when you get home at night. This is the down-looking infrared sensor, and what that does is anytime the tip is within 6 inches of the floor, the buzzer on the handle will not go off. But when the floor is moved or there's a step of 6 inches below the cane, then the corresponding buzzer will start to buzz, and you know that you're about to step off a curb. You don't get much warning with this. It stays about a half a step ahead of you, so it's up to the user to stop in time. The circuit board comes with adjustable resistors for each corresponding buzzer, so you can turn up or down the intensity of each buzzer. The long-range sensor, the ultrasonic sensor, is pretty much turned all the way up all the time. It's a light buzz anyway, so we keep it set so that as you approach the object, the buzzer starts to intensify and intensify and intensify until you get within 3 feet, and then the other sensor kicks in another buzzer and it doubles the intensity. And when you charge, of course, you plug that plug into the charger, and charging usually takes about 10 to 30 minutes. And this charger with the lithium polymer battery is a special charger. You can't use just any charger for these batteries. It has to be a balanced charger made specifically for lithium polymer batteries. So the cane comes with the batteries and the charger, and the lower part here is white to indicate that it is a blind cane, and the tip is actually replaceable. As you can see, I can pull the tip and the sensor out. This sensor is adjustable in height, so if a person likes to hold the cane a little bit higher off the ground, they can adjust the sensor to compensate for that, so it still sees a step off, but it doesn't buzz when they don't want it to. Now the tips can be turned as they wear, allowing the user to feel the tip of the cane in between uses and decide where to turn the wear spot so that he wears the tip evenly and makes the tip last longer. But the tips are $10 and they are replaceable. So the cane comes with a 1-year warranty, and if anything fails in that 1-year period, I'd be glad to repair it and send it back immediately. So there you are, the e-cane for blind people.